Hindi tayo may unay di apot. May na apo, nagado nga kumikom kan nagado nga pakana ti kaaway tapno. Antay lang agtuloy nga naging bagti ako, ti grasya na. Karoon na mananay. Kanta kami man ti A or B?
I'll follow you.
Whatever follow you.
In the shelter of his basahin kita duman, tapagahan yung dumawatan nung ang time eh. There is peace in the time of trouble, in the midst of storm. Tignan din natin masakay. Kanyang tumawatan noon. There is peace in the world of raging, in the shelter of his arms.
When my soul was disturbed with sorrow,
When my heart was burdened with shame, Jesus opened his arms and sweet and tenderly peace in the time of trouble. There is peace in the midst of storm. There is peace in the world he reigns in the shelter of his love. There are storms that we all encounter. Do not fear till the new heart. In the Lord you will find protection. In the shelter of the